Okay, this is a request for a tutorial on a song that was written in 1948 by Floyd Tillman called I've Gotta Have My Baby Back. It was covered, I learned it from a cover by Red Foley, who is an old country swing artist that I like very much. And it was covered most famously by Ella Fitzgerald and the Mills Brothers. Also Glenn Campbell, Willie Nelson, Merle Haggard, and Ray Price did a cover together. Not to be confused with the Shag Sting song. It's early in the morning, haven't had enough coffee. This is a special request from Janie Webb, and I'm hoping I'm pronouncing your name correctly, in Melbourne, Australia. So let's get to it. It's very easy. You'll get this. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, this is a tutorial for the 1948 song I Gotta Have My Baby Back, requested by Janie Webb in Melbourne, Australia. This song is a classic AABA pattern song, so the A parts are basically always the same. The ending chord might be slightly different for each 8 bars. The B part, aka the bridge, will be different chords. You'll know all the chords. I'll go over them very quickly when I tell you about a chord pattern, because I don't have the nice little diagrams on the video. I'm working on that. I count from the top. So this is your 4 string, your 3rd string, your C string, your 2nd string, your E string, and your 1st string is your A string. And I am playing with a low G, just so you know. Okay, so that would be 4, 3, 2, 1. And then the frets are obviously 1, 2, 3, where your fingers go. So if I say to you 0, 0, 0, 3, there's your C chord, okay? So just so we know how I say things and count things. 2 chords that you might not know that are in this song. One is G augmented, or G plus, which is just like a little D minor, except you're going to move it towards the floor and up the neck. So it's going to be 1st finger on the 2nd fret of your A string, and then these 2 fingers go on the 3rd fret of the C and the E string, and it sounds like this. And that's your G plus or your G augmented. Great chord. The 2nd chord that appears a lot in this song is an A augmented, or A plus. And that kind of looks like a G minor 7th, okay, where you've got the partial bar and then up here, except it occurs up here. Okay, so it's 2, 1, 1, 0. Now you can play it one of 2 ways. You can either partially bar these 2 strings, your E and your C string. I'm not doing this very clear. And then add this guy. Okay? Or you can play finger 1 is on the A string 1st fret, finger 2 is on the E string 1st fret, and finger 3 is on the 2nd fret of the G string. And the reason why I have a tendency to play it like that is because of what it transfers from, okay? So it's totally up to you how you want to do it. But it's a very distinctive sound in this particular song, so you kind of can't fluff it. I mean, you could play an A7 and not try to do the augmented, but that's, you know, it's kind of up to you. You know, music's so individual and cool that way. Okay. So the chords are C, E7. We all know E7, right? A7. Here's your A augmented, A plus. D7. And I play Hawaiian D7. So 2, 0, 2, 0. And then F minor. Sorry. 1, 0, 1, 3. G7. We all know G7, right? Do. Okay, and then the only other chord that's in here is a D minor. Okay, so let's learn the A part first. So it's going to go, and you've got the words, and I'll send them to you if you don't. I will also link the video that I do in this key with my friend Scott Evans below, so you can check that out and play along. Okay, so C, baby, E7, baby, A7. I miss you so very much. Now here's your A augmented, hurts me. Okay, then baby, I just F minor, gotta. Then back to D7th, I gotta have my baby, G7 back, G augmented. Okay, then the second 8 bars, second A part, C, can't sleep, E7, can't eat, A7, because I lost my sweet A augmented baby, A7 sweet, I just D7 gotta, I just F minor gotta, D7, I gotta have G7 my baby C back. Okay, so there's your second 8 bar, second A part. Okay, now here's your bridge. Here's the trick to the first part of the bridge. You go back and forth from A augmented to A7 to A augmented. Don't worry about being specific. I must change on this word, aka this note. You don't need to, okay? Just do what feels good and natural. So, alone in a tavern, people all around, laughing and dancing, painting the town. Okay, so that's all back and forth, A7, you know, and then the A augmented. Now you can also stay on A7th, alone in a tavern, people all around, laughing and dancing, painting the town. Now D7, jukebox is playing, songs about you. Okay, now D minor, songs with memories, D7, making me G7 blue. Okay, last 8. C, baby, E7, come on home, A7, without my baby, I just couldn't go on. There's your A augmented. And then I just A7, I just D7, gotta, I just F minor, gotta, I D7, gotta have G7, my baby, C, back. And then at the end, you repeat that very last line. I just A7, just D7, gotta have G7, my baby, back. Or, actually, I do this. The augmented and then C. Oops, I did that wrong. So it would go, and I retired, I just gotta have my baby back. Okay, so there you go, and I hope that was easy for you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you want notifications about when I post videos, ring the little bell, ding, 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 ding. Thank you very much. Have a great day.